Welcome to the first of many nuggets we're going to have on the subject of NSX. My name is Jacob Moran, and I've been in this virtualization arena for years and years, working with Microsoft virtualization, VMware virtualization, Citrix virtualization, as well as having a fair amount of experience in networking, especially Cisco networking. And so I love this course because this really gets a chance to utilize a lot of the skills that I can bring to the table to help you get better at what you need to do, which is virtualize your networks. The funny thing about courses like this is that for someone like me, I've got to think, who are you and why are you here? I mean, you might be here because you've already rolled out NSX and your job is going to be to maintain it. Or maybe you're looking at that initial deployment and making sure that you get it dropped in right. Or maybe you're even a step further from that. You're planning or dreaming about network virtualization, what it might look like with NSX, and you need a clearer picture of that. Or maybe you're getting certified. And your existing skill set, like mine, includes some virtualization, includes some networking. You're thinking, hey, NSX would be a good thing to have on my resume. So no matter which of those that you are, I consider it my job to try and help you get where you need to go. And I enjoy doing that. NSX is a huge product. So we've tried to break it down into smaller chunks that are a little more palatable, a little easier to digest, and make sense as a unit of work to focus on. And then later on, if you need to review it, you know where to find what you're looking for. Our goal in what we're looking at right now is pretty straightforward. We want to take a 10,000-foot overview of the big technologies that we're going to be implementing when we roll out NSX. And we want to look at the initial steps that you have to get the infrastructure of NSX in place before you even start making it do those amazing things. It's possible you've walked in this door and you're not even sure what network virtualization is. So let me throw one little piece at you right now. Network virtualization is going to be where we take the hardware constructs that we see in a physical network, things like routers and switches and firewalls, and we replace some of those components with virtualized editions of the same thing. Now, why bother doing that? Well, in particular, since we have so many virtual machines, by allowing them to network using virtualized network technologies, we end up seeing some great benefits. Because we're not having to hop from one world to the other, the virtual to the physical. We can stay virtual as long as possible and only go physical if it's a real need, like when we need to go out to the internet or connect to an individual client. And by benefits, we're talking about manageability, speed, security. And these are big ticket items that make it worth it to pay the price for the licensing that we have to have in order to use NSX. So my friend, I'm excited about the technology, and I'm looking forward to helping you meet your goals in digesting this material, VMware's NSX. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.